What's going on, guys? My name is Gavin and welcome back to the channel. It is about 10:30 at night while I'm recording this, so first I just want to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. The main goal right now is 1,000 and we are halfway there, so thank you guys so much for the support on that. And that's really all I have to say. I mean, there's not much. In this video, you're going to see me adding some interior parts to the Subaru, and I do unbox a couple other things, but those are actually going to be for later videos, so quick intro, really don't have a lot to say, and that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for 500, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, don't even get me started. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've done this. Okay, what's going on, guys? My name is Gavin. Welcome back to the channel. I have a new tire, but they had to special order it, so it's getting put on in like a day or two. So I know. What? That's just my luck. But I've been ordering a lot of stuff for the Subi, and it's all been coming from like random places. Like I ordered something, it ended up being from Poland. One ended up being from Shanghai, the other Hawaii. I don't know, but a lot of it came in. All right, so we have a good bit of packages. I'm gonna go ahead and just let you know I opened every single one of them. I never wait, but we're gonna be installing a bunch of stuff today. So we got this shift boot here. That's actually gonna look, it's gonna look good with the shift knob. Right here we have some wrapping tools. Bam. So I've been wanting the red taillights, the 04, 05 Subaru taillights, but I keep putting it off because one, my car keeps breaking, and two, I have other priorities, but I really do want the red taillights. So I thought about it. I was like, for $16, I could just wrap them, and then I went ahead and got the hexagon. Just looks cool, I guess. And then right here, last but not least, you can see it says diamond. I've been wanting these for a while. This is really gonna complete the interior of the car, but these are custom purple stitch diamond car mats. Before we put those in, we definitely have to vacuum the car. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's pretty dirty in there. So we're gonna vacuum and then put in the car mats because I don't want to put them over a dirty floor, obviously. I've been waiting on these for like, has it been like 2 months?
Yeah.
It's been a while. It's been a long time.
Where'd they come from?
Shanghai. Actually, I think it was Beijing, and then they sat in Shanghai for about a month. You know how it is. Oh, maybe that's why I wasn't cutting. I think I was doing it backwards.
Probably.
So these, they have like off-brand ones that they, I believe, make in the US, but this is like the official, like, they're called like the Diamond brand Diamond car mats. So here is the purple stitching. You probably can't even see it very well. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew the shift knob. This just pops right out. If you don't have a like bag of change in your car, you're doing it all wrong. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's little clips on each side. Yeah, okay. I didn't even need the flathead. Oh, yeah, that was really easy. Yeah, so this thing is really disgusting. Mm-hmm. And it appears to be glued on. That looks dope, but I know I would drop some stuff in there. I definitely would be dropping like French fries in there. I guess just peel it back. Nice, if I had like a heat gun. I should have bought a heat gun. Yeah. I need it, but there we go. All right, that's trash. So the stock shift boot is like leather. This one is like almost like an Alcantara with purple stitching in it. So it's almost kind of like the roof fabric, but so it kind of matches. I struggled so hard with it. I seriously couldn't get it on. So I don't have it like fully tucked under right now. I'll figure that out later, but for now, I'm just gonna let it sit like that. And honestly, let's get my chair up.
It looks nice.
Yeah, honestly, I think it looks cooler than the old one. It's a nice little small detail. It's not exactly like detail worthy, but it's way better and it's clean enough for me. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the rest of the car. You can see that there's a big difference there. So all right, the Subi has gotten a good and proper vacuum. It is nice and clean and ready for the diamond car mats. I've waited so long for these, so let's finally get them in. Okay, so we got this side in. It actually looks killer. There's a little bit of a gap here, but I mean, they are just floor mats, so they cover up most of the space and they actually look amazing.
I forgot.
That looks absolutely killer. I'm super hyped for these. I've been waiting for these for so long and they actually look so amazing, dude.